here is opportunity from Qualcomm Joint Talent Network, Associate Engineer, Hyderabad location. So to apply for this job, the link is provided in the description box. So just for now, we can go through the details of the job description and eligibility. So job area is engineering group, system test engineering, bachelor's degree in engineering, information systems, computer science or related field. So CSC students, those who completed BTech, they can apply for this position, and you can go through all the responsibilities of the company which are provided. So and apply for the job if you are interested, and also share to your friends also for better reach, and like the video. And if you see here, similar jobs are also available. You can uh, check these jobs are suitable for you or not, then you can apply for these jobs also. Thank you all.